loose curl type of wig. Look at these. Is the construction. Again, it's a 7x5. This is the lace base. Then it comes with 2 combs in the front. You have a comb in the back with the drawstring to adjust it. Alright y'all, so here are my end results. Really love the curls. They are nice loose curls. Again, this is water wave. All the details will be listed in my description box along with links if you guys are interested, but highly recommend if you are looking for a loose curl type of wig. Look at these curls, and I didn't really do much to refresh the curls. I just used water and scrunched it and used my diffuser as you saw in the previous clips. But yeah, and then I just added a little razzle dazzle with the 2 braids in the front, and boom, we got a look. So yeah, this is what she is looking like. Really nice. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, y'all, this is Glueless. Do y'all see? Look at that. Glueless. Yeah, I really love the way this wig turned out. So yeah y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see y'all in my next video.